In the world of project management, we often talk about tasks, deadlines, and deliverables. But sometimes, a project isn't a new product launch or a marketing campaign. It's something as tangible and exciting as a team trip, a conference attendance, or even a personal vacation that requires coordination. While Basecamp is a powerful tool for traditional project management, its flexible structure makes it remarkably effective for planning and executing these types of trips as well. As a project management expert, I understand that even seemingly simple events like a trip can quickly become complex if not managed properly. Details proliferate: flights, accommodations, itineraries, budgets, attendee lists, packing essentials, and so much more. This is where Basecamp shines, providing a centralized hub for all information and communication. So, how do you create a trip in Basecamp? Let's walk through the steps using simple language and focusing on clarity, just as you would for any educational standard. Step 1. Create a new project, your trip. In Basecamp, every major undertaking is a project. Your trip is no different. Log in to Basecamp. Access your Basecamp account. Click New Project or the plus button. You'll typically find this on your Basecamp home screen or dashboard. Give your project a clear, descriptive name. Instead of just trip, be specific. Examples: Team Retreat, Bali 2025, Project Falcon Launch Conference, Family Summer Vacation, Europe, Client Site Visit, Acme Corp. Add a brief description. Optional but recommended. This is where you can quickly outline the purpose of the trip, key dates, or main goals. For example, planning and coordination for the annual team retreat to Bali, focusing on strategic planning and team building from July 10th to 15th, 2025. Choose who can see this project. People working on this project. Recommended for most trips. This makes it visible only to the people you explicitly invite. Anyone at your company name. If it's a company-wide event, like a holiday party planning, everyone in your Basecamp account can see it. Just me. For personal trip planning, keep it private. Click Create Project. Congratulations! You've just created the dedicated space for your trip. Step 2. Invite the right people. Even if it's a solo trip, you might need to share parts with family or friends. For a team trip, inviting everyone involved is crucial. Go to your newly created trip project. Click Add, Remove People. Usually found near the top right or within the project settings. Invite colleagues, family members, or external vendors who need to be part of the planning. You can invite people already in your Basecamp account or new people via their email addresses. Assign roles/permissions. If necessary, decide if they can add, edit, or just view information. For most trip planning, giving everyone full access to contribute is beneficial. Step 3. Populate your trip with Basecamp tools. Now, let's make this project functional. Basecamp offers several built-in tools that are perfect for trip planning. Message board for announcements and key discussions. Purpose. The message board is excellent for central announcements, major decisions, and key discussions that need to be visible to everyone. Examples for a trip. Welcome to the Trip Planning Hub. Initial kickoff message. Finalizing flight dates. Please vote. Important. Visa requirements for all attendees. Post-trip feedback collection. How to use. Click Message Board, then New Message. Give it a clear title and write your content. B. To-dos, 4 action items and checklists. Purpose. This is your task manager. Break down the trip planning into manageable action items. You can assign tasks, set due dates, and add notes. Examples for a trip. To-do list, flights. Research flight options to Bali. Assign to Sarah. Due July 15th. Book team flights. Assign to John. Due July 30th. Confirm luggage allowances. Assign to Sarah. To-do list. Accommodation. Shortlist hotels/villas. Assign to Emily. Book team accommodation. Assign to Emily. Due August 15th. To-do list. Activities. Research team building activities. Book airport transfers. Plan daily itinerary. Personal packing list. For attendees, you can even create a template list that everyone can copy and customize. How to use. Click To-Dos. Then New To-Do List. Name the list, e.g., Pre-Trip Essentials. Then start adding individual to-dos. Assign them and set due dates as needed. C. Docs and files for centralized information. Purpose. This is your central repository for all important documents, itineraries, booking confirmations, and general information. Examples for a trip. Final itinerary PDF. Hotel booking confirmation. Flight details spreadsheet. Emergency contact list. Budget overview. Local customs and tips guide. Packing list template. How to use. Click Docs and Files, then New Document for text-based info, or Upload File for PDFs, spreadsheets, images. Schedule for key dates and deadlines. Purpose. Keep track of important dates, deadlines, and the trip's actual itinerary. Examples for a trip. Flight booking deadline. Visa application submission date. Team dinner, day 1. Departure date. Return date. How to use. Click Schedule, then Add Event. Fill in the details. E. Campfire for real-time chat and quick questions. Purpose. For quick, informal chats, real-time questions, or just sharing excitement. Examples for a trip. Anyone else need a power adapter for Bali? Just booked the team dinner for Tuesday. Quick poll. Thai versus Italian for lunch on day 3? How to use. Click Campfire and start typing.